There are plenty of sports bikes available on the market, but only a few are beginner-friendly. Even though it's hard to pick the right bike, understanding your needs and wants as a beginner should help you in choosing the right sports bike. Here are our 5 recommendations for the best beginner-friendly sport bikes on the market. The CBR 300R prides itself on being nimble, economical, and still fast enough to excite even intermediate riders. Peaking of capabilities, the Honda CBR 300R is powered by a 286cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, mounted to a 6-speed transmission. Its styling cues were carried over directly from the rest of the CBR family, which allows it to balance great style into its ergonomic and capable package. This bike gives better comfortable riding in city traffic and sharp corners and does not lose control and stability at higher speeds. It is one of the best Honda bikes for rough and tough riding. Kawasaki debuted the Ninja 400 for the 2018 model year as the successor to the Ninja 300. Nowadays, most riders consider the Ninja 400 an entry-level model. Unlike its predecessors, the Ninja 400 gets many changes, including a fairing design similar to the H2 and ZX-10R. It has a 399cc parallel twin that's loads of fun, providing an excessive boost of power that riders won't get tired of easily. The bike also has a lightweight trellis frame, which means you'll never feel like you've got to lug it around corners or curves. In addition, the low seat height and ease of handling makes it an excellent starter sport bike that can still propel you around the track at a decent clip. Yamaha is a renowned motorcycle manufacturing company that builds some of the best bikes on the market. The Yamaha YZF-R3 is a lightweight bike that is easy to handle and maintain. However, don't let this bike's beginner status fool you. Yamaha has somehow managed to make a bike with a 320cc parallel twin to give up 42 horsepower. This is much higher than every other sports bike in the 300cc segment. The YZF-R3 packs a punch and features an advanced forged piston design that adds a significant amount of performance to the bike. If a new rider is looking to learn about track riding or supersport handling, there is no better starter than the R3. KTM offers some of the best beginner-friendly motorcycles on the market. The 390 lineup offers the best of both worlds with the Naked Duke variant and Fair RC version. The RC 390 has been around since 2013. Even though it uses a single-cylinder 373cc engine, it packs a lot of punch. Its slim and lightweight frame makes it easy to handle, especially for a beginner. In 2017, KTM changed the front disc brake, increasing it to 320mm. The RC 390 gets the bold KTM brand orange color scheme. The vibrant colors complement the sporty look, making the RC 390 a serious head-turner. If you are looking to start your riding career on a sporty and edgy bike, then the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-25R might just be the right bike for you. This lightweight bike is a good example of a small bike that packs a punch. It's the only inline-4 motorcycle in its class, boasting an all-new engine with superior performance. The ZX-25R is a 250cc beast with a big burr attitude. Its liquid-cooled engine produces 43.5 horsepower and 15.6 pound-feet of torque. Even though this is a fun little machine, it still doesn't come cheap. In fact, you will end up shelling out more than you would for the more powerful Ninja 650.